Hey guys, I'm really sorry that I'll be out again on Tuesday, but I will definitely be back Wednesday, and I wanted to make this video to walk you through the slides that the sub or whoever is covering your class will be showing so that everyone is really clear on the expectations of what they need to have done. So the first slide is a list of people who shared their documents with me. Now, if your name is in red, then you correctly shared your document with me, but you did not title it correctly or at all. If your name is in orange, then you did not correctly title the period number. And if your name is in green, then you did a great job. Yours is perfect. These people, this is very important. If your name is not on this list, then you need to correctly share and title your document and share it with me ASAP, as soon as possible. If you aren't sure how to do this, then you can just find someone in your class whose name is in green and ask them for help. Sorry, I had a low battery. Okay, next slide. So basically, I saw, because I can go in and look at the work you guys did, yes, I can, I saw a very wide range of how much work people got completed in class on Monday. So I want to show you guys some non-examples and examples of what you should have gotten done. If you are one of the non-examples, that's okay because you're going to have some time to work on it Tuesday, but you need to work a little bit more urgently so that you can get caught up. Here is the first non-example. I saw a lot, and I mean a lot, of Google Docs that looked like this. They were just blank pages. They'd been created, they'd been shared with me, but there was absolutely no typing. So that is not really acceptable for the amount of work you should have gotten done in about 30 to 50 minutes. So if that applies to you, please fix that problem Tuesday in class. On the flip side, I also saw a lot of papers that look like this, that had a nice full description and finished at least step 3, which if you finished step 3, you were exactly where you should have been by the end of Monday. I even saw some students who finished step 4, the citations, and started on step 5, the interview questions. So thumbs up to you for going above and beyond. Everybody else, there's no excuse for you to not have step 3 done. Okay, one thing that I thought might confuse you all is doing the citations. Step 4, the citations in MLA format. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples. Here is example 1. This student chose to actually list the 6 parts of his MLA format in a list form. If you would prefer to keep it short and sweet, here's another example of a student who just wrote all of his stuff in a row and then moved on to the next citation. Both of them have all of the required information for MLA format. If you need help with MLA format, then you can ask one of the class helpers that I'm going to show you in a few slides. I want to make sure that I'm very clear on the expectation. The expectation is that steps 1 through 4 must be completed by. If you are period 3, 5, or 7, you must have steps 1 through 4 of the document you got yesterday completed by 7:30 a.m. on Wednesday morning. If you are in periods 4, 6, or 8, you must have steps 1 through 4 of the document you got yesterday completed by 7:30 a.m. on Thursday morning. The reason why is because I will be printing the documents for you to use in class. So any changes you make after 7:30 will not be included in your final printed paper. If you are somebody who finished early, then this is a great time for you to move ahead to step 5 and make sure to add plenty of detail. That will only help you in the long run. Okay, last slide. So if you're feeling stuck, here are some people in each class who really did a great job and went above and beyond. This isn't everybody. These are just a few people who I noticed, and these people would be great for you to ask for help if you need it. You can also text me if you really need to. My number's on the board. Last but not least, if you're someone who finished early, then the first thing you should be doing is checking for spelling and grammar errors. I saw a lot, and I mean a lot, of spelling and grammar errors. And then after that, also make sure you've included a lot of detail. If your whole document, if you got through step 5 and the whole thing is only 1 page, you probably didn't include enough detail. And then for my overachievers out there, I also uploaded a copy of the rubric. You can view it, you can't edit it. But if you go to this rubric and go to the section called grades 2 through 4, project grades, then you can see exactly what you're going to be graded on and you can make any necessary improvements. Thank you guys. I got mostly a good report on you all, so I'm proud of you. And good luck. I'll see you tomorrow.